John Cooper, and I'm a personal injury attorney at the Cooper Hurley law firm. This is Jim Hurley, my law partner. We work on a lot of serious cases, and one of the ones that is really a major tragedy that does happen is traumatic brain injuries that occur at a place of business, like a big box store or a supermarket. And what ends up happening is something has caused the person to have a head injury, like falling merchandise, which is very common at big stores like Walmart, where they stack the stuff up to the ceiling, or you can have a slip and fall or trip and fall where the person crashes to the ground and whacks their head against the hard floor. This is an occurrence that involves a major injury that needs to be given serious attention, and to hold that store or business owner responsible if their negligence was the cause of the traumatic brain injury. Jim, tell us about what people should do if they're in an accident at a commercial establishment.
Two things that you should do. Number one, you want to be sure to report it to management and fill out a basic incident report form. Your name, your address, the date it happened. You don't want to give a detailed statement about what happened, however, because there's a possibility you could write something that could hurt your case later on. But it's important to report it so when we follow up with it and we pursue legal action if necessary, they have a report for when it happened. John, the other thing that's really crucial is that you try to take some pictures of what the area looked like right after it happened. You know, today everyone has cell phones, you can take pictures. The reason that's so important, the store is going to go ahead and do their investigation to help themselves out. And John and I oftentimes can't be there right when it happens. So if you have an opportunity, take some pictures of the dangerous condition that caused you to be injured right then, and then you have it to protect yourself. And John, those are a couple of key things people should really try to do.
Right. The other thing is to try to find some independent witnesses if you can. If there's another customer who is in the store and perhaps you're with your loved one, your husband or wife, have them get the name and phone number of any witnesses to the scene, because finding them later could be very difficult, and you want to be able to prove what actually happened and not just have it be your word against the store's word. So we hope this never happens to you, but traumatic brain injury is very serious, and sometimes, in fact usually, it's not as obvious right away just how bad the injury is. You may be stunned and think, oh, I'll just shake this off and I've got a little headache. But you need to treat it seriously. You need to call us if this happens to you. John Cooper or Jim Hurley at the Cooper Hurley Law Firm. Our phone is 757-455-0077. Thanks.